2026. And I'm speaking from experience, guys. I am speaking from experience. In my second marriage, we did have a sugar baby in our life. And it was a sugar baby under the most worst circumstances, worse than this whole Remy Ma, Clarissa, and Papoose thing. My sugar baby experience was like 100 times worse. And I made sure, as the mature older woman in the situation, that this young girl chewing, bubble gum did not leave the situation busted and disgusted because she just didn't know no better. Just because her mind wasn't right, and she wanted to go after my husband. And until this day, she's with him, even though he's married to somebody else. To this day, she is still